Dear viewers, in this video we'll deal with the balancing of equation by ion electron method in basic medium. So again we'll take equation which has been given as shown here. MnO4 2 negative plus water will give you MnO4 negative plus MnO2 plus OH negative. Now again in this also the first step was the same, that is to write the oxidation number on the various atoms involved. If you will take it as x and you will find out the answer, 4 to the 8 minus 2, that is plus 6 will be the oxidation state of manganese here, and oxygen minus 2. Hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2. In MnO4 negative, manganese, if you will take it as x, it will come out to be plus 7, minus 2 again here. Here if you will find out the oxidation number of manganese, it will come out to be plus 4, minus 2, oxygen again minus 2, and plus 1 hydrogen. So in this step again we have written all the oxidation state and the oxidation states of various atoms, and in second step we will again identify the oxidation half reaction and the reduction half reaction. Now in this step you can see manganese is getting oxidized from plus 6 to plus 7 oxidation state. So this is the oxidation half reaction, that is MnO4 2 negative being changed into MnO4 negative. This is the oxidation half reaction. And the reduction half reaction is MnO4 2 negative is being converted into MnO2, in which the manganese oxidation state changes from plus 6 to plus 4. So here we will write MnO4 2 negative will give you MnO2. This is the reduction half reaction. Again, similarly as we have done earlier, we will balance it individually. First we will copy the oxidation half reaction. MnO4 2 negative will give you MnO4 negative. Now in this Mn is balanced, oxygen is also balanced, only the charges are not balanced. Here on the left hand side the two negative charges are there, and here there is only one negative charge. So if we'll add one electron here, we'll get two negative charge here also, and the equation is balanced. So this is the balanced equation of oxidation half reaction. Again similarly we will balance the reduction half reaction. MnO4 2 negative will give you MnO2. Now here you can see that there is a deficiency of oxygen on right hand side, which will balance by putting OH negative ions. So 2 oxygen atoms are deficient, here it is 4, so we'll put 2 OH negative ions. Hydrogen deficiency will balance by putting water on the right hand side, so here we'll put 2 water because hydrogen atoms are deficient here, and the same number of OH negative ions are again added on the right hand side because we have added 2 water here, so we'll add 2 OH negative again because it is carried out in basic medium. Now if we summarize it, we'll get here as 4 OH negative, so we can write it as MnO4 2 negative will give you, plus 2 water as well, MnO2 plus 4 OH negative. Now we'll apply the same method, that is partial equation method. Charges first, let's balance the charge also. 2 negative is here and here it is 4 negative. So if we'll add 2 electrons on the left hand side, we'll get the 4 negative charge here also. So this equation is not completely balanced with respect to charge also. And now let's come to the fifth point. Now you have to equalize the electrons on both the sides, equation 1 and 2. So we'll multiply the first equation, that is oxidation half reaction, by 2. So we'll multiply it directly. 2 MnO4 2 negative will give you 2 MnO4 negative plus 2 electron, and now this equation will copy it as it is below this. MnO4 2 negative plus 2 water plus 2 electron will give you MnO2 plus 4 OH negative. Now we'll cancel out this 2 electrons on either side, and you can see one okay. Now again we will copy the left hand portion as it is here and right hand portion here as it is below. 2 MnO4 negative plus 1 MnO4 negative will come out to be 3 MnO4 negative plus 2 water, and on the right hand side you will have 2 MnO4 negative plus MnO2 plus 4 OH negative. So this is the complete balanced equation, or in the basic medium. Again you can check all the atoms. Here you have 3 manganese atoms, and here again 3 manganese atoms. Oxygen is 4 3s are 12 and 13 14, 4 2s are 8, 4 12 and 2 14, and hydrogen is 4 and 2 2s are 4. Charges also you can see 3 2s are 6 minus electron, and here minus 2 and minus 4, that is again minus 6. So the entire equation is balanced. So again here we have first written the oxidation numbers of each atom in the equation, find out or identify the oxidation, reduction, half reaction, balance them individually. In basic medium, because it is if there is a deficiency of oxygen atom, we will put OH negative on that side, and to balance the hydrogen atoms we will put 2 water on the side deficient in hydrogen, and corresponding number of or equal number of OH negatives are put on the either opposite side. Summarize the equation, then write the charges also in balancing the equation, and then equalize it or cancel it by the partial equation method, or solve it by partial equation method to get the complete balanced equation in the alkaline medium. So this is the complete balanced equation in the basic medium by ion electron method.